Season 6 is here. The rainforest is wet, the mushrooms are suspicious, the crocodiles are thieves, and leadership has already developed a headache.
Our faction allies, 1035, 996, and 1043. These war zones are teammates. Do not attack them, block them, interfere with their objectives, or accidentally test your squad on them. Help their rallies and follow faction leadership during coordinated operations.
Before reset, turn off Shake to Collect on Sunday. Reset your professional tree 10 minutes before the update. Do not kill Doomwalkers until you have entered the new map.
Pact and capture rules. R4s. Do not create alliance packs without faction leadership approval. Tinder for alliances is currently closed. Capture times are hard times. Do not start early, arrive late, or launch your own surprise military campaign. Check alliance markers and mail before relocating, attacking, or capturing anything. Coordinate safe times across the server. If everyone selects the same time, we create huge protection gaps and invite the enemy over for dinner.
Fishing orders. Fish valued at 750 plus, donate to Alliance Skills until 24/24. Fish valued at 700 or less, donate to Faction Tech until 120/120. Both matter check the value before feeding your expensive fish into the wrong bucket. Do not upgrade multi-fishing. Crocodiles steal the extra hooks because apparently they are now professional criminals. Week 1. Use only 10 hooks per day until Sunday. Fish at the highest level fishing ground available. Collect all 10 daily alligator boxes. Once unlocked, altars provide another 10 boxes per day. Do not open our altars on capture day.
Seasonal Farms. Weekly Pass unlocks the 5th Seasonal Resource Farm. Upgrade Farms 1 through 4 to level 10 first. Keep the Weekly Pass farm at level 5 during this process. After Farms 1 through 4 reach level 10, upgrade Farm 5 to level 10. Then level all 5 farms evenly, one tier at a time. During the first 2 days, collect only when you have enough to upgrade the VRI Institute. Upgrade farms without collecting early. For the remainder of Week 1, collect seasonal resources once per day for maximum scaling.
Purple +2 cards. Never recycle a purple +2 tactical card, even if its stats appear to have been selected by a drunken raccoon. You need 4 purple +2 cards to reach level 60 and will need them for global expedition. Build them first, recycle placeholders afterward.
Hero Awakening. Choose Kimberly, myself, or Tesla as your primary awakening hero and go all in. Trying to maximize all 3 is an excellent strategy if your goal is to maximize none of them.
Daily priorities. Complete every seasonal mission and claim every milestone chest. Collect spores and rainforest mushrooms. Keep seasonal buildings upgrading at all times. Donate daily to Beneath the Ruins and Faction Tech. Participate in Fungus Secrets, Fishing Fest.
We look forward to seeing all of you on the battlefield.